Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Colmi P81 Smartwatch, and one of its smart features for the wearable is the music control function. Let me show it to you. So we have here the Bluetooth music control function. With this feature, you can control the music player on your phone. You can adjust the volume, go forward, backward, play, or pause. And you can also, I think you can also see the title here of the music that is playing. So we will try this one. We will test it. We'll check it on the support app if there's additional feature for this one. And we'll also try the feature for the different media player applications. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Okay, so let's start. Let's go first with the support app. It is using the Daffit application. Let's tap on this one. Let's see if there are some settings for the music control. So we have the shutter here, world clock, notifications, and seems like we don't have any setup. Okay, so we have here. I thought there's no settings for it. Control phone music. Synchronously display phone music information on the smartwatch. So let's activate this one. Daffit, let's activate the notification access allow. Okay, then go back. Stress monitoring, heart rate. Seems like everything's okay here. Okay, so let's check on the wearable. So we have here some apps. We have the built-in music player, Spotify. We have the YouTube Music, and TikTok. Let's go first with our music player here. Let's open the app. Then let's try to open a music player. Okay, as you can see here, the feature here changes. The title is here, and it is just waiting for us to activate it or to play. So we have here deeper meaning. Okay, the sound is coming here on our smartwatch. So let's adjust. Next. Stop. Next. Okay, go back, play, stop. As you can see here, it works, and you can see the title of the song as well as adjust the volume. Go backward and go forward is working. Pause and play is also working. That's good. So far, everything's okay with the music control function. It works with the built-in music player here in our smartphone. Let's go with the popular music streaming service, Spotify. So let's try to adjust the volume here to avoid any copyright issues. So we have the song here, Remix, Bruno Mars, Cardi B. Let's go back. I'll pick a different song. Lock Out of Heaven. As you can see here, changes. Next, Versace on the Floor. Yes, it works. Then next song. As you can see here, it works. You can go forward. I don't know if you can go backward. In our previous smartwatches, that is not possible with Spotify. Let's see with this one. As you can see, the same result. You cannot go backward with Spotify, but you can go forward. Pause and play. The title is also showing here, as you can see. Stop. Okay, the connection is very good. No lag at all. Then next, YouTube. Let's see with this one, Tutankhamun. So we have an ad here.
You're a better tooth than I give you credit for.
Let's finish the ad and let's see. Stop. Play. So far the pause and play works. Crunchyroll. Then it's now loaded. As you can see, it works here. You can hear the sound. Go forward. Yes. You have it here. Next. Go back. Go back. Stop. Okay, so it works flawlessly with the YouTube application. How about the YouTube Music? So we have here Hotel California. Let's adjust the volume here to avoid any copyright issues. Going back. Play. Stop. Let's adjust the volume. Okay. Going back. Next. Hotel California. Go forward. Play. Next. Let's see. Does it play? Okay, seems like... Oh, okay. There's a delay, but it is working. Stop. Play. Yes. Go back. Go back. Stop. Go back. Okay, so it works also with the YouTube Music. And the last one, TikTok. Okay, don't allow. Go back. Next. No, it's not working with the TikTok app. Okay, so it doesn't work with TikTok, but it works with the built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and YouTube Music. No issues at all. Everything works with our Colmi P81. And so far, very smooth connection. No lag at all. And a very good feature of our Colmi P81 smartwatch, especially if you love to listen to the music. And it is using the built-in speaker of the wearable. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye!